Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this webinar. My name is Isabella Carolina, and I want to sincerely thank each and every one of you for turning in this evening. It's a privilege and honor to have all of you here joining us. Somebody invited you because they cared. And if you are here, if you responded to the invite, that means that you also desire a passive income. We have seen some unbelievable success, and we are here just to share a little bit of information. We don't want to sell you anything. This is a passive income opportunity that has been such an amazing blessing to us. So I want to thank you for taking time out of your busy day. I know you could be doing anything. The project that I'm going to be sharing today is a company called Intelligence Prime Capital. And I want to say welcome to the future, because this is a passive income project that is allowing people to earn 30 to 40% return every single month. I am literally, ladies and gentlemen, showing people how to make more money every day. The information in this webinar is for educational purposes only, and it is not financial or investment advice. The passive income industry is risky, and you should only invest the amount you can afford to lose. Past performance does not indicate future results. All our webinars, videos, and social media posts are just our own opinions about the programs that works for us. Please understand this before you invest your time or money. Research before you invest. Remember that our rule number 1 is to make a profit as soon as possible based on your own goal and risk tolerance. This industry we are going to talk about is the passive income industry in the fintech Forex trading. Now, if you have never heard of Forex, it's not a problem. Don't worry about it. You don't have to be a Forex trader. You don't have to know anything about Forex, but it is very important that everybody understands our product. In fact, you are understanding our product since you are 3 or 4 years old. Our product is called currency. There is a huge daily turnover of more than 800 million US dollars. It is the most traded market in the world. Intelligence Prime Capital is an international company committed to providing global users with a comprehensive suite of digital asset services. We specialize in research and development into the future of fintech, such as quantitative trading, leveraged IE trading systems, cloud storage systems, and enterprise management software. We are proud to serve users and enterprises from over 10 countries. IP Capital is a Canadian company that has obtained a regulatory license from the Canadian Financial Regulatory Agency. We also hold a digital asset management license. In 2021, IP Capital will officially launch our global financial products and digital asset trading platform, providing global users with a one-stop diversified financial service platform. Our IE analysis trading system, the IABOT system, works by aggregating market information, transaction volume, and other relevant data to accurately predict market trends. After several months of testing, the IABOT system has achieved an average win rate of 97% that is setting a dazzling record. Here is the Canadian registration certificate. Financial Transactions and Reports Analysis Center of Canada, FindTrack. FindTrack is established in 2000, and it is an independent agency that reports to the Minister of Finance and is responsible to the Parliamentary Activity Center. Its mandate is to facilitate the detection, prevention, and deterrence of money laundering and the financing of terrorist activities, while ensuring the protection of personal information under its control. This includes business registration with FindTrack, reports to FindTrack, record keeping, KYC, and development of compliance plans. Here is the registration status of MSB. The US MSB Money Service Business License is a financial license supervised and issued by FinCEN, the Financial Crime Enforcement Bureau, an agency under the US Department of the Treasury. It is a license for business and companies engaging in financial services. Companies engaged in related business must apply for an MSB license in order to legally engage in digital asset management and transactions. Here are the regulatory license. The tradings of IPC are made on a world-class platform called MT4. MT4 is a trading software for financial products written by MetaQuartz platform and is suitable for professional or experienced investment clients. In adopting MT4, IPC has chosen a world-class trading platform that can ensure that users' transactions are faster, more stable, efficient, transparent, and safe. MT4 is suitable for a variety of desktop and mobile operating systems such as Mac OS, Windows, iOS, and Android. If you want, you can download the MT4 app. All the trading history is verified with my FX book. Also, we can see here the development, the beautiful development of IPC. IABOT system. Main trading products include foreign exchange, gold SFT, commodities SFT, oil SFT, and cryptocurrency. The business model is that as a partner, you have 3 IABOT system subscriptions: SmartBot, BrilliantBot, and GeniusBot. The SmartBot is $19.90 for 1 year. The BrilliantBot is $39.90 and the GeniusBot is $99.90 for 1 year. The SmartBot has up to 50% profit per month. The BrilliantBot has up to 30% per month and the GeniusBot has up to 45% per month. The minimum deposit is the same for all the 3, $100, but the maximum deposit is only $300 in the SmartBot, only $1,000 in the BrilliantBot. Meanwhile, in the GeniusBot, we have no limits. Automated tradings, 1 per day in the SmartBot, 2 tradings in the BrilliantBot, and in the GeniusBot we have 3 tradings per day. As we see, the GeniusBot is the best choice. We can look here in the one MT4 account of one of my good friends. We can see that he has subscribed to the GeniusBot, which has 3 tradings per day. In 7th February, the bot has made for him a profit of $1,460. In 8th February, a profit of $1,295, and in 9th February, $1,468. He has already made a 100,000 deposit. From all the profits that the bot is making for us, we keep 80% and 20% goes to the security deposit. So what can be so special about this project? First of all, you don't have to recruit people to get paid. Low entry cost, no monthly fee, no auto ship, money making money up to 35% per month, more emphasis on investment versus recruiting. Yes, total transparency, simple button to either withdraw earnings or reinvest earnings, 97% win rate on trades, and set it and forget it. You don't have to learn difficult trading strategies. IABOT trades on your behalf, and this is excellent for novice and seasoned investors. What I want also to show, why is so special this product? Forex Expo Africa has awarded Intelligence Prime Capital this year already for the best new broker of the year. This is excellent. Also, we can see here the award, right? And one of the most important sponsors of Expo International in Africa is Intelligence Prime Capital. Maybe you have already a few questions, and I would like to answer for the usual ones. Minimum funds, you need to open account. So this would be $200, 99.90 one time for the Genius bot and 100 live account funded by Bitcoin or TRC20. Can I add more funds in the future? Yes, you can at any time through funding or internal transfer. Does the company charge any other fees? Yes, we have 80 per 20 split of all profits at the end of each trading week. How often can you withdraw principal? On weekend when funds are not in the market trading. Affiliate commission earnings? Yes, anytime if you will like to do the business part as well. What is the minimum amount to withdraw? The minimum amount is $10. Here we have a $3 flat rate fee. How long does it take to get your withdrawal payments? Less than 24 hours, generally under 3 hours. How long does KYC approval take? 2 to 5 business days. How often does the bot trade? Averaging 3 trades per day, from Sunday to Thursday or from Monday to Friday, depending where you live. Must I download MT4 software or install software to trade? No, you don't have to. Also, you maybe can say, okay, I have seen the presentation, but is this company legit? Yes, I want to show you this example, but this doesn't mean that you do not have to verify. Okay, so Wiki Forex. This is a global Forex broker regulatory inquiry app. Wiki Forex is possessed by WikiCo Limited, mainly provides basic information inquiry, regulatory license inquiry, credit evaluation for the listed brokers, platform identification, and other services. When I signed up for Wiki Forex, the first broker that has appeared was Intelligence Prime Capital. We can see that it is regulated. Also, when I clicked on IPC, we can see that it is appeared within 1 year. Okay, it is legal, required, everything is okay. Licenses from Australia. So this company is legit, but you have to look also after it. If you have liked the presentation, you have not joined yet, but you desire, then you can find the registration link below the video in the description or ask for it from the person who has sent you this video. And to register, watch the following video to see step by step what to do. Also, I wish a like from you for this video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do it now. Thank you.